Hello! Got some great mail today. Temu package. Temu. Temu, whatever. I got this. It's going to have some art supplies in it, I think. And some clothes and some other stuff. So, I did get this in another package earlier. It is, well, it's got a big old sticker on it. Yeah, I'm not sure how you say that. But it's a liquid chrome silver mirror marker. Ooh, can't wait to try that out. So let's see what came today. Hopefully I don't cut anything. Oh, I see some shoes already. I just hit the camera, sorry. Tight space here. I see some shoes. This one's really hard to cut open. So if you haven't visited the website, give it a try. They have anything you could even, everything you could think of. You know, well, not everything, but got a lot of stuff. It's Temu.com. Okay, so first off, I have a pair of shoes. I'm going to put everything in little bags. Okay, let's see. I cannot zoom out. These look kind of big. Maybe they're not. Oh, they're like a sweater at the top. Oh, those are nice. Nice thick soles. When you get a little older and your back starts hurting because you got flat shoes on and you're walking, you're gonna like a nice thick sole. So those are sweet. I like those. Let's see what else. Oh, some ring. I got this ring there. It's really cool. There's a moon and stars, a simulated opal. But I need to take this off. I think this ring here was like $2.98. So yeah, they got great deals. Let's see what this one is. Okay. Simulated emerald. Look how shiny that is. And look how thick. I think this was like $3.94. Oh, what's that in there? I don't know. It has something in there. I don't know what that is. Ooh, it's so pretty. I really like that. Like it, like it, like it. You want? Oh, there's more rings. I got a lot of rings because they're so cheap. They're like $1.88, $2.94. This is a set. I think this was $3.94. Look at that. It's got the darker band. Simulated emeralds. I inherited my dad's. I used to call his fingers potato fingers because they were so fat. He wasn't fat, but his fingers were fat. Ooh, this one's kind of snug. Okay, it's a little snug. It stinks. I bet. You know what? My finger on my left hand is a little thinner for some reason. Oh my God, I can't get it off. Okay, bear with me here. Oh, I gotta get this off. Here it comes. Okay. Oh, let's try. See, it goes right on that one. I don't know why. It's thinner, but it is. Oh, that's nice. And they also have this in blue and the sapphire. Ooh, that's really nice. I think that whole set was less than $4. Another ring. Excuse me. I can't remember the name of this stone. The yellow ones. Oh, don't go down in there. I think I got this one a little bit bigger. Yeah, I got this in an 8, I believe. No, it's size 7 as well. So you have to, each individual ring, you have to look at the size chart, because each ring is a little different. That is a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. Look how shiny it is. Sparkly. Ooh, that's a fighting ring right there. And another ring. Oh, this is the, it's kind of a rose gold. And I'm not sure what stone that is supposed to be like. But yeah. Look how... I mean, these rings are so cheap. Not cheaply made, but inexpensive, I should say. Oh, more! There's some really pretty rings. Okay, let's see, what is this one? Oh, this is nice. These are just really big. Okay, so you gotta see. Look how thick it's heavy too. And look, it has the stones on the ring itself, the ring part. Look at that. That is so pretty. See, this is a 7 too, and it's, man, that's another fighting ring. Look at that sucker. It's huge. I think that's all the rings. Alright, so let's see. We have a top here. And I don't remember how much this was. I'm thinking it was around $14. Let me get the scissors out of the way. But it's really soft. Wow, it's not real. It's kind of like a cross between a sweater and a t-shirt. Nice lavender color. Lacy V-neck. Long sleeve. I really like that. I might wear that to work tomorrow. That would go good with this. Alrighty. And then we have another top. You can't see in there yet. This one is white. It's a stretchy-ish material. Look at those buttons. Buttons that are on there are really good. Very well made. A little lace embellishment around the neckline. And look at the sleeve. Look at that sleeve, isn't it? That's so cool. I really like this one too. I think this was, I don't want to say $12 to $14. But yeah, that's nice too. Okay. I'll test these out here in a little bit. The Joy Wish 72 set colored pencils. Pencils for kids, students, and artists. I'll test those out here in a minute. Oh, looks like I got another top. It's weird, they put everything in these like bags, but then they put everything inside of bags inside that bag. And I gotta skip the commercial here. Okay, my music went off. Okay, oh, this feels really nice. It's not really a sweatshirt, it's kind of a silky t-shirt. Ooh, that feels so soft. Let's see what ring will go with that. Let's see. This one, perhaps? I think that would be the perfect one for that one. I pick a lot of pullover type shirts because I don't like to iron. This is really nice. I like it. Long sleeves. All right. Cool. I think that was around $10 or $11. And there's one last thing in here. It is a light, I could use it, I mean, you could use this as a purse or just a travel bag. It's a navy blue. It's a snap. Snaps don't feel like they're coming off. Nice zipper. Another zipper. Let's see. It's not real small, it's not real big. Another zipper in the back. I just zipped it closed. Let's see. Oh, I don't know what you would use that for. A keychain? I don't know, that'd be kind of silly. Oh, I know what that's for. It's for the strap. Man, that is very well made. That is not chintzy. But yeah, you could carry it like this with the handles, or you could add the strap. And on the inside, there's some pockets. Kind of, on the inside, it's not real sturdy as far as the separator goes. What is that? What is that? Okay, I don't know what's going on with that. Oh, it's just the... Okay, it was the lining coming out. Okay, that makes more sense. And there's another pocket inside. Nice little carry-on for the airport, travel. That's so cool, I like that. I think this was $14. I don't think it was that much. Okay, let me get a piece of paper here. Okay. Let's test these pencils out. Okay. So, Joy, how much were these? I want to say they were like $20, $25. Comes in a metal tin. Oh, first let's teaser. I want to see if it says anything about light fastness. Do not put near the inflammable. What? Do not put it near the inflammable. Okay, that's kind of weird. Not suitable for children under 3. It has the address on there. It doesn't say anything about light fastness, but, you know, it's coloring books, practice, working at home, playing around. Ooh, oh, look, it has a parrot on the inside, too. Oh, alright. Okay, octagon, color number, colored pencils, perfect for drawing. Okay. They're lightweight, so I don't know what that's going to entail. 2 trays. Here's all your darker colors. None of them are broken. The wood looks intact. You got a couple of metallics over here. Alright, so we're going to test them. let's test this one. Okay, here it goes. Oh, they're smooth. I wouldn't say that they're extremely pigmented or opaque. Just press a little harder. Press a little harder. Works a little bit better. I'm going to try a blue one. Try this blue one here. There's no color names, but there's a color number. I'm sure you cannot buy them open stock. Okay, so there's light pressure, medium pressure, hard pressure. Okay, so they're definitely better than the 72 set that you get at Five Below. They're not as good as, let's say, Prismacolor, of course. These would be good for kids. Coloring books, maybe. Playing around, practicing. I'll see, this one looks really good. Looks better than the other ones. You can kind of blend them. They are a little bit blendable, so that's good news. Let's try this lighter pink one here. Okay, the good news is you can kind of blend them. They are lightweight. They are not going to roll off your table because they're not round. Let's try the black. That's brown. That's blue. That looks like a brown too. No, that's black. Oh, the black is nice. I didn't hardly have to press at all. And it started. Okay. Black is nice. What's this one next to it? I'm just curious. Oh, didn't expect that. I know I'm shaking the camera. It's attached to the table. Let's just try the white over black. Nah. Sometimes you can use the white to blend burnish. Okay, it's hard to tell with the gathering of black paper close by. But anyway, personally, I would say if you want a nice set to give to your kids or practice, or I don't know. I wouldn't rush out and try to trample anybody down to get these, but they're not bad. So that is my Temu haul for today. Look how big that is. Got all my rings. Some shirts, some shoes. And yeah, so if you liked this video, hit that like button. Hit subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Help my channel grow. And check out my other videos. I have a couple other Temu hauls. Some videos of me painting. Different variations of stages of other projects. So yeah, check those out. Hit that subscribe button. Excuse me. And come back. Thank you.